Well, I lived under me, you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but she's so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back before the good round, and I ride for giving it my best. It's nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win the summer. Learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more.
He came on over, and then we started just playing and singing, and it was a really good time. I had fun.
Yeah, it was fun.
It was a lot of fun.
Yeah, I just start walking when I get to the university, and I was lost because like UCF is huge and it is a huge city. So I start walking and I just heard that amazing song. From her, like she was playing guitar and a lot of people around her like giving to her like good feedback, and it was cool. I just started singing with her and it was like magic. Goodbye anymore. Oh, oh.